Hey, what's the date? November 18th. This is the two old guys in the two old guys garage for the Anglia build, and this is part 39, segment. Okay, Lou, what's happened?
Well, I got the support piece of wood in here glued in and screwed. Then I just finished cutting the top, this piece here out, which I'll reuse. I'll put it back in there after we get everything done, like we did the other side.
You want to try the door for a fit?
Yeah, let's see how the
All right, let me pause this.
doors.
Hi, we're back. Show it pause. We have hung the door inside the hole to see how it's going to look. And looks like there's enough clearance at the bottom, right?
Oh yeah, that's plenty of clearance to the bottom.
And that's about the optimum position all the way around. Somewhat you can see how much of a gap is here. A little wider gap here. Narrow here. This little tight there. Actually, that's better than I thought it would be. So that's about where it goes, huh? Do you want to mark the hinges? Well, we got it
Well,
up
I
there.
got to put the hinges on to mark where.
Okay. Well, that's about it. I think we're going to end this here, huh?
Yeah, for now until I get the hinges cut out.
So that's next.
Yeah.
Start cutting the hinges out. Okay, so we're going to do a wrap on this. Actually, I came over and Lou broke the 32 frame cosmetic cover for the Corvair steering box. I'm going to go back home and mark the holes and drill it and mess around with it, form it some more. So, all right, I'll see you later. Thank you, Lou. Appreciate it. Bye-bye. Take care out there. Hey, everybody. It is November 19th, 2024. This is Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage with the Anglia project, and this would be part 40, segment 2. And we've been messing with the door and the hinges. Lou has started the cuts, but we had problems with fitting the hinge in between rust in the various parts. These were aftermarket replacement pins, and they had not been ground very well. They're not parallel. They had thick spots on them. We had rust. So we've been messing around. We finally have got both hinges on this door to where they're fitting in, and they're loose. So at this point, I'm going to pause and we're going to hang the door back, right?
Right.
Any comments?
No, it went a lot easier knowing
Yeah, that's true.
what I had to do from the first time.
Okay, so I'm going to pause, be back in a little bit. All right, we're back, same day. The door has been hung on the hinges, as you can see. Lou, do you want to demonstrate that it will open?
Yeah, see, got a opening door and a working door now. Got to redo my screws and up on the hinges, and then we'll be all done with that. But,
Yeah.
you know, come on, it's not perfect, but got to live
Yeah,
with it.
so the hinges are basically where we want them, right?
Yeah,
But we got to tighten them up a little bit, right?
right.
So because it's been in and out so many times, the hole's got a little worn. So we're going to do what, the wooden dowel trick?
Yeah, put the wooden dowel in there,
Close it up and then redo the holes.
re-drill holes.
And that'll pull the hinges to the front more and make a little better fit down there. That'll pull that this way to the front. But hey, it's a friggin' door.
Yeah.
How long did it take us to get the first door on?
Oh, yeah, the first one was miserable.
Was that 2 to 3 weeks, 4 weeks?
Yeah.
Month? So here,
Yeah, you definitely live and learn.
yeah. So this one has been, what, I don't know,
Couple
maybe
days, you know.
couple of days, less than a week. We got it hanging, and opening and closing. So we're on the way. That's good.
Yeah, and these lousy pins.
Yeah, as I said
Of
earlier.
course, you know, all this stuff is all rusted to start out with, so it don't help matters.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, you can't blame it all on the pins.
All right. So next is to tighten up on the hinges, right?
Yeah, get the hinges tightened up and then start putting the door hardware in and
Yeah.
redo the bottom piece. Oh, put all the inner.
Oh yeah, yeah.
All the inner. Get Randy the River over here. We'll
Yeah.
make that new panel to go in there.
And we gotta close that up.
Start closing it all up.
And then we gotta finish this crack.
Yeah.
But-
That'll go quick.
Yeah, we're getting there. All right, so I think I'm gonna end this segment, and I'm gonna go home and take all this fiberglass and crap shit off my clothes before my wife sees them. Ha ha ha. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, take care out there. We'll catch you later.
That's miserable fiberglass.
All right, bye bye.
Shit.
Okay, moving on. November 21st, 2024. Lou and Bob from the Two Old Guys Garage. This is part 40, segment 3. And if you look there in the center of the screen, there's a door handle. You want to open the door and show them what's happening, Lou?
Yeah, finally got a good working door.
Oh, hinges all bolted in.
Yeah.
Door closing and opening hardware installed.
Everything's in there.
Good, good, good. Now, we got a surprise, right?
Right.
Here's the surprise. Get ready, everybody. That's the windshield glass. It's installed. Oh, there you can see it's reflecting. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Not bad. That's one less major problem. And then the glass guy, while he was here, he actually measured the door glass and installed the power window lifting frame with the proper rubber to the glass in the right position. So these two guys are ready to be put in later and do the channel trick. So we're doing pretty good. So what's next, Lou?
Well, now it's just I'm gonna do all the sheet metal, make the piece for in there, and then the piece for down the bottom. Get all that stuff done, like the other side. And
That's good.
get that all in.
Well, good news on that end. Randy all of a sudden yesterday started feeling better.
Oh, good.
Yeah, he ate lunch and dinner, and I'm not sure, he's going into the hospital to do some other treatment. I'm not sure when. I'll find out tonight. But anyway, so that's good.
Yeah.
Hopefully he'll be
Get him over here to do some riveting.
do the Randy the Riveter trick. So, you're going to do that next. And then what? When that's glassed in, go back to the window, or?
Yeah, then, put the other window track in and on this side here. And then put the felts in, get it glued in and stuff.
Oh, good. Getting there. I guess there'll be a point not too far down the road where we actually start messing with the seats, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So, the only problem that I can see with the windshield glass is that when you take your sneak drives around the neighborhood, you don't have to wear the Barney
Yeah, I
Rubble-
won't have to wear no goggles no
no
more.
goggles no more.
Yeah, that'd be kind of nice.
Yeah.
Won't be so drafty.
Boy, that's good. I like that. Looking good. Jesus, what? 2.5, 2 3/4 years to get the window glass. That's not bad, I guess. All right, so let me think. Segments 1 and 2 is about 5 or 6 minutes. This is going to run about. Okay, I'll publish 40.
You gonna publish for it?
Yeah. I'll put this together and
Okay.
stick it up there. And that's about it. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this up. Take care of everybody out there. Wishing you a happy Thanksgiving if that's where you are and you celebrate it.
Yeah, next week, huh?
Yeah.
Man.
The wife's making big plans. I guess we got all kinds of... Oh, Randy gets a turkey and a ham from work.
Nice.
So she's forced to cook a turkey and ham. But we got a bunch of the family bringing different dishes, kind of a potluck type thing. So that ought to work all right. Okay, so that's it. Again, goodbye everybody. Catch you later.